Hi guys, I'm back. And today we're going to do just a simple flip cup dirty pour, just because we've been doing some complicated things lately. Well, not complicated, just time consuming. So today we're just going to do a simple flip cup with all the leftover colors, just so that we can have a break from all the, all the busyness. And these colors are all the same colors that we used for the flower, the rainbow flower chain pull. So, except this one is parakeet. It wasn't in there because I couldn't find it at the time. This one is the award blue from Apple Barrel. We're just going to layer all these colors in and see what it comes out. Oh, it's a bit thick. Hopefully. Ooh, that looks kind of globby going in there. I don't know, I'm a little worried about that. Phthalo blue, of course. The other one, that pink one, was cranberry. Let's put some more white in there. And then this green, which is the, look at that, it's very 4th of July in there. Green was the, what was that green? Lime tree, I believe. This is purple pansy. Some of this, some kind of lilac. I don't remember. This is tropic orange. Lilac mist. Lilac mist was that one. Probably a few too many opaques for me, but we'll see how it turns out. And as you can see, this is just a canvas that I gessoed over because it was pretty much a disastrous pour. It wasn't a pour, it was a chain pull that went wrong. Did not go well. So I didn't even show you the video on it because it was really bad. Get all that phthalo in there. And then some more of this pretty orange. And any other colors we want to add to that? Not really, it's plenty. We'll set the rest aside. I was hoping to use up all that paint, but we're not using it all up. Okay, so we're going to get a tile just to set under it. So when we pour it off, maybe the pour off will look interesting on the tile. I don't know. If not, we'll just wipe it off. Wow, look at that. It's all orange and purple and pink. All those colors in there. Wow, interesting. All those colors in there. And that's what we got. Well, it'll look different once we tilt all that off. For sure. There's the cup. Not real interesting. Let's torch it. I hate that. That's definitely going. Pop all the air bubbles and bring up some more cells so you guys can kind of see all the cells that come up once you torch it. Woo, that's cool. I like this bright orange with the purple surrounding them. Okay, let's see. Where are we going with this? Don't know. Don't know. I want to keep this. This all we can get rid of. Although there's some cool cells along through there. Oh, really need to get probably the canvas wet. So I'm going to take this pink because we got a lot of this pink here. and just use it as sort of a help along to get the rest of that paint off of there. And make sure it goes on that corner, because those corners are always hard to get. And some of this pink might come up through the painting, and some of it might not. Sometimes it does if you push it far enough. It'll come up through the painting. And this we can just kind of shove off. Okay, we already got it going off on that side. Wow, look at those cells! Ooh, that looks so cool. Hopefully it'll stay cool looking. Okay, so let's see. I don't even know what to do first. Let's take it off of, I think, this side first. Okay, and then bring it back to the center. Oh no! Whoops! We set it on another painting, so let's wipe that off real quick. Luckily, we still have plenty of that paint. We can fix that. Thank goodness. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see what I just did, but I just like put it on top of this other little triptych painting. So let me fix that super quick. Luckily, it's easily fixable. And then we have to stay far, far away from it. Can't believe I did that. That's funny. Luckily, it's solid blue, so once it dries, you won't even be able to tell. Okay, back to this one. Let's take it off of this corner, but we need more pink or just some other kind of wetness on the canvas to drag it off. There we go. Alright, let's... Oh, I love all those. I don't want to lose all of that. We might need a corner catcher because it's going to go off the sides. Well, that's okay. I think it'll be okay. There we go. And back to the center. Okay, now we're going to go off this corner on this side, and then we'll go off the other side. Oops, slowly, not so fast. There we go. And back. Okay, there we go. Just kind of centering everything a little bit so we're not... There we go, that's it. So let's get that tile out from under there. Oh, shit. Shoot! I said the S word, I'm sorry guys. Just drifting the other painting again. Oh, I'm usually better about that. That's okay though. We can fix it. It's not in the white, it's just in the blue. I'll fix it in a minute. Okay. Okay, I deeply apologize for saying the S word. Alright, let's see if we can torch this sucker. There we go. Get out all the air bubbles. Get the sides really quick, but not too much because when you get the sides it brings up the little tiny cells and I don't want any more of those little tiny cells. So that's it. I don't know what to do with this tile. So we're going to leave it and I might pour the paint off of it. I don't know. We'll see. So let's get you down so you can see the cells up close. Alright, so here we go. close up. Look, we've got like 2/2 of a brain right there. And okay, so let me explain something. You see how the green is kind of like washy on top of some of the cells and kind of powdery looking? You get that with the opaque paints. The lines around, let me get my really painted dirty finger out of the way. The lines around the cells are usually the transparent, and the sort of cloudy, kind of dusty looking paints on the inside are generally the opaque paints. That's where we caught it up there in that corner with the torch really close, so it brought up a lot of little cells. So I was trying to avoid doing that so I didn't torch it too much. But if you like those little bitty cells, then go over this several passes with your torch and you'll pick up a lot of those little bitty cells. But I don't know, I don't usually get sort of that weird, that cloudy effect that I've got going on there. It's really kind of cool in those cells right there. It's just a little interesting. Look at the lines around those cells. Beautiful. You've got that purple pansy and, well, the lilac, which is strange because usually the lilac is an opaque color. But those have made some pretty lines. But as you see, you've got, like say right there, you've got the parakeet green in the middle, which is definitely opaque, and then you've got the lime tree around it, which is the transparent. But with different paint, different brands of paint, you get different effects. So, that's not going to hold true for everything. Look at that cell. That is so cool right there. Okay, so this is what we get when we use a bunch of leftover paints, as long as we have about half transparent and about half opaque. For cells, this is a super cool painting. There's not much else to it. It's just a painting full of cells, so it's kind of cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's where I'm going to leave you. There's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. For viewers, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, take a look at like the playlists and stuff like that, and subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of different stuff around here. So, if you don't like something we're doing today, you'll probably like the next painting because it will be completely different. Or it could be resin, or it could be something else. So give us a try. Subscribe to the channel, ring the little bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you like what we're doing here, and you'd like to donate to my channel, my PayPal link is below, as well as my website. If you guys have seen any paintings that you just have to have, email me. My email address is below. When you leave a comment, sometimes when I comment back, you don't get the comments. And I want to make sure that, if you guys are interested in a painting that I do, that you're actually able to get in touch with me, and I'm able to get in touch with you. So if you leave me your email address or email me, then I can get right back with you. So yeah, and if you guys would watch the ads for me, get a little bit of ad revenue from you guys watching the ads. It's really kind of a nice way that you guys can donate to my channel, without actually donating to the channel. So watch the ads for me. Us YouTube artists, we greatly appreciate that. More than you guys know. So I know some of the ads are long, but just push mute and go get yourself a cup of coffee and come back. Alright, that's where I'm going to leave you. Hope wherever you're on the planet you have an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. See you later. Bye.